Hey friend, welcome. It's Michaela. So today I'm going to be setting up my January spread in my work bullet journal. Let's just jump right into it. So for this year's spreads in my work bullet journal, I'm doing something a little different. One of my biggest reasons why I love to create these videos is because I enjoy sharing my bullet journal designs with you. I would love to encourage you to try them out for yourself, and I would love to see your interpretations of my designs in your bullet journal. So with that being said, I wanted to recreate some designs from my favorite journal YouTubers that I follow. So January spread is inspired by Journey in Bullets. She creates some amazing monthly spreads and anime journal entries that are just gorgeous, and she made this very helpful video on how to design a glitch effect spread. So for January, I'm doing this glitchy pixelated theme based on her design. I will be sure to link her video down in the description box. Go check out her step-by-step guidance on how she created this glitchy pixelated effect. If you want to try this out, it's just really important to make sure that your glitches are all going in the same direction. That helps with giving the illusion that the letters are kind of like glitching out. So once I finished drawing out the font that I wanted to use, I drew out lines and arrows to remind myself which direction I wanted the glitch to go. In the tutorial video from Journey in Bullets, it's super helpful in explaining this in super detailed steps. I'm also using only 3 colors in this spread: a black marker, a blue marker, and a red marker.
Round 1, fight!
So moving on to the first spread, I'm just going to do these simple boxes here for the first 4 days of January, as well as a big box for my notes section. And I'm just making the boxes, look like they're glitching out a little bit, or like the pixels are coming apart. And then for the numbers inside each box, I definitely wanted to make them look like, again, that the pixels are kind of coming apart from the numbers. I've also been wanting to do this 3D glasses effect on a design in my bullet journal for the last few months now, but I always felt like it was going to be way too much and way too hard to read. So I just absolutely love this idea of the glitchiness and the pixels coming apart, using the blue and the red and still kind of doing this 3D font every now and then. So I still have the satisfaction of using this font and this design idea, but without making it look too crazy to where I can't read anything on the page without 3D glasses. So moving on to the next spread, it's kind of been a while since I've done an open layout spread. So I decided to just try it out with this 1 week. I'm just going to label it January 9th through the 13th at the top, and then just leave the entire 2 pages for notes, events, tasks, all those kind of things. For this spread, I wanted to switch it up a little bit and do black numbers with the red and the blue on the sides, just to switch it up since everything else was kind of the same.
Fight!
And for this last spread, I'm gonna combine the last 2 weeks of January since there's only 2 days in the last week. So I'm making a full 7-day spread for this, and then I made a section for notes. I also put a calendar at the top as well as all of my meetings for the week underneath that. And of course, just keeping the same glitchy, pixelated layout as the rest of the spreads. And here's a final look at all the pages we set up today. If you made it this far, go ahead and drop one of those little pixelated alien monster emoji things down in the comment section. It looks like this. And whenever I'm looking for this emoji, I can never find it. And you're probably asking yourself, how often are you really using this emoji? You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. So maybe you have better luck finding the emoji. And if you find it, drop it down in the comment section.
Round 1. Fight!
As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I also recently set up my personal bullet journal for 2023, so go ahead and check that video out. I will link it right here on the left-hand side of the screen, and I will see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.